Do you also wish you have greater self-confidence? Written by Amy Cuddy in her book, Presence: Bringing Your Boldest Self to Your Biggest Challenges. Confidence is a beacon. It illuminates your path to success, both professionally and personally. When you believe in yourself, others believe in you too. Confidence allows you to take risks, voice your ideas, and embrace opportunities. It empowers you to navigate challenges with resilience and grace. Without confidence, we shrink back from our potential, leaving our dreams unrealized. Imagine a job interview. Two candidates equally qualified sit across from the hiring manager. One radiates confidence, articulating their skills with conviction. The other stumbles over their words, avoiding eye contact. Who is more likely to land the job? Confidence is often the deciding factor in these moments. Confidence is not just about external success, it's about inner peace. When you trust yourself, you're less likely to be plagued by self-doubt and anxiety. This inner calm allows you to build stronger relationships, communicate more effectively, and live a more fulfilling life. Confidence is not about arrogance, it's about self-assurance. Public speaking, a boardroom presentation, a crucial negotiation. These are just a few situations where even the most accomplished professionals can feel their confidence waver. The pressure to perform, the fear of judgment, and the weight of expectations can be paralyzing. Imagine a seasoned manager tasked with presenting a new strategy to the executive team. Despite their expertise, they feel a knot of anxiety in their stomach. Their voice trembles, their palms sweat, and their mind races. This lack of confidence undermines their credibility, making it harder to effectively communicate their ideas. Similar struggles can arise in personal life. Asking someone on a date, setting boundaries in a relationship, or advocating for your needs. These situations require confidence. When we lack it, we may avoid these challenges altogether, hindering our personal growth and happiness. The good news is that confidence is not an innate trait. It's a skill you can cultivate. Like any skill, it takes practice and dedication. Start by identifying the situations that trigger your self-doubt. Then, implement practical strategies to build your confidence in those areas. Preparation is key. When you feel knowledgeable and well-prepared, your confidence naturally increases. Whether it's a presentation, a negotiation, or a difficult conversation, thorough preparation empowers you to handle any situation with poise. Visualization is another powerful tool. Before a challenging event, take a few moments to visualize yourself succeeding. Imagine yourself speaking with eloquence, handling objections with grace, and achieving your desired outcome. This mental rehearsal primes your mind and body for success. While confidence is essential, it's important to strike a balance. Overconfidence can lead to arrogance, complacency, and poor decision-making. True confidence is grounded in humility and a willingness to learn and grow. Imagine an entrepreneur who, fueled by early success, becomes overconfident in their abilities. They dismiss valuable feedback, take unnecessary risks, and ultimately face setbacks. Overconfidence can blind us to our weaknesses and prevent us from seeking the support and guidance we need to thrive. The key is to be confident in your abilities while remaining open to feedback and continuous improvement. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and never stop learning and evolving. Building unshakable confidence is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt along the way. The key is to embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember that every experience, positive or negative, contributes to your development. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially when you make mistakes. Instead of dwelling on setbacks, view them as valuable lessons. Learn from your experiences, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and encourage your growth. Seek out mentors, coaches, or trusted friends who can provide guidance and encouragement along the way. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Unlocking your full potential starts with mastering your inner world. By cultivating calm and building unshakable confidence, you can achieve extraordinary things in all areas of your life. This is an ongoing journey of self-discovery and growth. If you're ready to embrace this journey and unlock your full potential, join us. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on mastering calm.